Just wanted to make a quick little video of how it's turning out so far. Painting is done for the most part. I did want to fill in these they're like old intercom systems as well as like an super old security system. So I wanted to drywall these in and retexture like this little area, obviously. So I may do those, may not. I'm not too sure if I'm feeling up for it today. However, we did just get a bunch of lighting, so we're going to replace the hallway lighting. We are also going to be replacing this thing because, listen, I'm not a tall guy, but every single time I walk past it, I'm hitting it with my head. So that's gonna be swing, goodbye. We'll do a quick little video on those later, but living room came out really, really nice. Got a really nice big TV in here. And it's coming together. We're going to remove this ceiling fan and replace it with a different one, just because it's pretty much useless. It looks like a fan, but it might as well just be a stationary object because the fan doesn't work at all. Like, it turns on, but it doesn't blow any air. The CFM on that thing's got to be like 0.25. So that's going to be removed eventually. All these little trims came out real nice. We didn't do inside the rooms. We did paint, but we didn't do like the trims and everything in there. But yeah, it's looking real nice. We went through the kitchen, cleaned up most of it. This was the little workspace for a while, but we had one of our good friends come in. She cleans houses. We had her come in and get all of the dust and debris off of the floors, off of the ugly oven. And she kind of cleaned up a little bit in here. There's no longer a giant pile of tools. That's all in the back now. But, oh, there I go again. Hit my head on that stupid chandelier. That will be replaced soon. All right, goodbye. So we got this dumb chandelier. I was gonna use another word. Thank God that's plastic. It's out. And we've got our new ones here, which are way nicer looking and adjustable. So, all right, so you've got this adjustable plate in a sense that these go through here, right? So it's swing. Just a quick little bit real quick, 1 second. All right, so we've got these screws in here, and what these ones do, you throw them all the way through. It holds your, I guess, cover plate, which is also the lights, right? So swing, and then obviously you would throw on these little caps, adjust these screws as needed, so that way they're not obviously that long. And then what you do is you take these, and it is adjustable because it's got all of them extra little holes. You take the mounting, I guess it'd be like the in-ceiling box for the electrical, and you just line up. I can't really do this one-handed. Get on there, you just line up. Like so, shrink. And then on the other side, shrink. You would then screw that there, and then boom. I mean, the only other thing you have to do is just tap in your electrical and mount up the lights. Relatively easy. I'm not too sure why they give you 17 feet of cord. Actually, I'm just curious. Yeah, we don't have super tall ceilings. I want to say, I think, what are they, like 8 right here maybe? Yeah. Right, about 8, right? We're not rich, so we don't have 20-foot ceilings. But I'm just curious how much, yeah, I think that's a good length. If we pull out like the, like the kindergarten little nap time mats, and we set up like the little breakfast nook right there, that I feel like is the appropriate length. Anyway, so we are going to adjust them, and right now the base is just kind of loosely on there, but enough to hold it. And all you do is you take, there's a little Allen key hole right there, and there's enough space underneath this base that they give you on purpose. You swing, push that in, and then whatever you have that you like, you just tighten down that Allen screw, and it's set. So they're in, and Alinea, in her brilliant mind, was like, oh wow, they look so good. I went to go flip this light switch 2 or 3 times, and I had to remind her that there ain't no light bulbs in that thing. Is there, Alinea? That's the face of guiltiness. Go ahead. Aww. She got it, dang. Go ahead, show us how you were trying to put that in just a second ago. Oh yeah. She wasn't very good at that blocks game.
Shut up, yes I was. It's
Come
hard
on.
to see.
You've got this. Can she?
I'm sorry, but that ass it feels a little small.
Can she do it? Oh, ah! I'm getting a little upskirt video from her.
How do I get this?
Just give it a little boop. Wow, there you go. Look at you go. It's the face of concentration. Pupils are like the size of quarters. What kind of drugs are you on right now? She did it! Let there be light. Wait, this isn't the right switch. Yeah, go ahead and stare at that light real hard. Blind! Flashbanged her. Ah! It's light number 3. I'm in 2. Technically, it's light number 6. 3 and 3. Fixture number 2. On to our 3rd. Number 3. That one was a little annoying. I don't know why. Somehow we lost a screw. We still don't know where it's at, but now we got new light. New light. New light. With our new lights. Oop. So, we got all the new lights in. House looks bright as fuck. And I like it. They all kind of match, minus big ugly fan that doesn't do nothing. But yeah, more plans to come. And yeah, that's it for the lights, I think. Oh, actually, garage lights, but you'll see those in a bit. All right, guys, so I'm preparing the garage for the lights eventually. And what I'm doing is I'm taking down these lights. They're just these old style, like the long tube ones. I don't even know what they're called, but man, more and more and more, everything I do in this house, I hate the previous owner. And I mean like with a passion now. It is just, everything is just done wrong. It's done, but it's just wrong. Like I've got literally 0 words. But so here's another reason why I fucking hate this person. So here, I mean, it's you know, it's, I guess, ingenuitive to say the least. So we've got a little, almost like heat lamp, and it's got an outlet on the side. Well, instead of like, you know, running, you know, a bigger or like an actual outlet with the existing conduit that's already here and open and easy to get to, he said, you know what, no, let's just add an extension, right? Or I guess the triple outlet on top of the single outlet and plug these lights in. Well, what I want to do is I want to throw in these little drywall anchors, and I want to throw in like a 6-inch fucking flathead screw that's mangled, by the way. Like the actual flathead's mangled, so every time you spin it, you know, flips out and you don't actually turn it. I'm gonna do that to every single one that I've done in here. I just don't get it. Like it's it was harder to do that than it would have been to just actually add an outlet, but then too, like, the stud, by the way, instead of adding these drywall anchors, is literally, so here's the drywall anchor. The stud's right here. It's like 2 inches away. Like, and it's not like, oh my God, well, the stud might have been hard to find. No, it wasn't, because the attic access is a foot away. You peek your head in there, ooh, there's the stud. Holy shit. Like, it's just, everything in this house was just done by someone with a leg that wasn't longer than the other, or that was longer than the other, a guy that must have been one-eyed, or a woman. I don't hate or discriminate, whatever. And just everything here is just done, like, so halfway. Like, I'm literally looking at these 2 screws here, right, are literally concrete screws into drywall. When I took out the old TV mount, was literally concrete screws into drywall and halfway into a stud. Let's continue with these lights. So I've got the next little surprise running right now. I'm not gonna give it away, but I've started on the other side of this video, but I kind of want to get like a before and after. And I've done this before at my other house with my buddy, and it came out fantastic. I did not have a sprayer last time, and I do this time, so it's going to be a whole lot quicker and a whole lot easier. But I'll catch you guys in just a second for you, but probably like an hour for me. All right, everyone, so it is freshly blacked. That's what she said. Yeah, so the ceiling is black. It is still very wet, so I mean, there's a bunch of spots that look like they're not quite the same, but I promise you it is. And probably tomorrow or Friday we'll finish the next set of lights that are going to be going in this house, and those are up there. So, but that is it for tonight. I am pretty shot. I did mop the floor and all the areas that the tarp was not covering, just that way if there was any overspray, which there was definitely some, it wouldn't stick at least. So I mean, now it's just pretty much dust smeared all the way around, but that's a problem for another day. But thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.